Hello, Apple fans. Wow, iPhone stuck on a logo or iTunes acting up. I'm thrilled to share an epic AnyFix special sale with up to 50% off iOS system repair software. Want to fix your device fast? Let's dive in. AnyFix tackles over 150 iOS issues like black screens and 200 plus iTunes errors with a 98% success rate. To grab the latest coupon codes, check the link in the description below and follow the steps to score your discount. Heads up, their codes change often, so always peek at that link for the freshest offer. Ready to redeem? Choose the AnyFix for Windows 3-month subscription for one device, now 50% off. Best price yet. On the checkout page, you'll see the order summary, and a pop-up offer auto-applies an extra 20% off. Fill in your billing details, pick your payment method, and place your order. Don't miss this life-saving deal. Click the link below and shop AnyFix today.